Greetings from WBCS Neo. This is just a little example of what you don't want to be hearing from a hard drive. Basically, this drive's just been collected just to see if I can recover data. But as you'll discover when you hear this, this is what we in the computer industry call the click of death. Okay, it's a repetitive sound, very unmistakable. So I'm going to turn that off, just in case I do decide to go down the next route, which would be a professional data recovery, where they would take the hard drive apart and actually take the data disk itself out of the unit and put it in a working unit to recover it. In its current state, you couldn't electronically recover this, not the way it is. Okay, so that's a click of death. If you hear your drive doing that, if you've got SSD, you won't hear that because it doesn't have mechanical parts. But it's just basically a bit like a record player with the arm swinging back and forward frantically. Okay, so there you go. That's the click of death. Nasty. You don't want it. Hopefully you'll never come across it.